guys, I'm heading out right now. It's around 4:30 and yeah, I haven't done anything the whole day, and I'm going out right now. I'm gonna try to get some hopia, ube on mongo, ube and mongo hopia from Papa Bear. Papa Bear is located at the west side of Melbourne in Sunshine, but the thing is they're so far, but they're having a delivery at Dandenong, so I'm gonna meet them there. It's a 30-minute drive, but either way it's gonna be best. We ordered also two pieces of custard ube. We'll give one to Miching and Michael, and let's go. I'm running late. Let's go. So yeah, I'm out here at Dandenong and near this helicopter, which is yeah, and yeah, you just got Papa Bear delivered. So yeah, got food in the car already. That's nice. So here's the order. Kuan siya katong custard cake, di ba maklaro? Nya katong mga hopya. So look at that. So here's the ube custard cake, which I'm gonna put in our empty ref. So that's the ube custard cake. That's good. Also finished repacking the mongo ube. Mongo ube. Okay, I finished repacking the mongo hopia, and I'm putting in the ube hopia up here because this is airtight and should be fine. Yep, let's see. I don't have gloves, but I wash my hands. Yeah, I wash my hands, okay? Defensive. And okay, so yeah, not really fond of ube, but for this case I'll make an exception. Ube is just fine. It's not like mongo or the La Fortuna one that I eat, which I really love, but yeah, so gotta cover it and store it. It's hard to do this with one hand, you know. This is gonna be featured in my random vlogs because I didn't do a lot of vlogs in English today. I was making a lot of Bisaya vlogs, but I'm eating the hopia now. So recap my story for today. I woke up late. No, yeah, I got up late. I got up early. I don't know. I went out of the house late. I went out of the house around 4 p.m. Then I decided to go to Dandenong, and I ordered some from Papa Bear Bake Shop. So I'm gonna link below Papa Bear Bake Shop. They're located in Sunshine, which is the west coast of Victoria, and I'm in the east coast, so it's kind of far to go there. It might take me around 2 hours, no, an hour and a half, or maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Depends on the traffic, but it's quite far from me. So yeah, I bought ube hopia from them, or taro, or ube, yeah. And the last time I went there, I was after I really go there from the mongo hopia, but that time I went there, it was ube hopia. It was Tristan who introduced me to the mongo hopia. I tasted it and it's good. Not like La Fortuna and the Cebu, but it's good. It's warm. It's good. It's not those packed things. It's good. It's really good. So yeah, I decided to get some more. I went one day, like last week, and then when I arrived there were no more mongo, but there was mongo, and there was ube hopia. So Laura likes ube. Let's try it. I got some, and they were good. So that's an exception. That I'm not really fond of ube, but some of them I like, but not really a big fan. But that thing strikes something. I like that. So yeah. Days after, like today, they decided to send out delivery. So they went to Dandenong to deliver some. So I took the opportunity to buy from them. I took my English is like shit because I'm not thinking well. But anyway, yeah, I ordered from them yesterday, and they replied to me last night, and then I got to meet them at Dandenong. It's a 30-minute drive from here, but it's worth it. I got ube hopia and I got mongo hopia, and I got 2 custard cakes, ube custard cakes. Gave one to Mitching because it's for her birthday. It's kind of delayed, but yeah, happy birthday, Mitch. And yeah, so we got two. They're good. They're then in the fridge. I'm back home now, resting after shower and everything else. But yeah, so that was, we have our food stack there. We have good food stack over there. I don't know what my point is, but I'm just sharing what happened in my day. But yeah, so I'm gonna link the name of the store, bro. Papa Bear's Bake Shop, which is in Sunshine. If you're in Victoria, Australia, so you can try it. They're good. I recommend them, but this is not a paid or sponsored video. Also, would recommend Christian. He's a student and he's doing a lot of suman and all the rest, like Biko and everything else. So I also buy from him. I failed to mention him on my vlogs, but yeah, just contact him. You can contact me and I can link you to him. Yeah, I'm gonna burp. Okay, that was nice. Another one is that Dina Looper. How do you pronounce your surname? But Dina from West also. She makes moron, and she's from Leyte. She knows Bisaya also, so recommend her. I haven't seen her post lately just due to the pandemic. But before, we used to meet at Flinders Street, which is in the CBD, and get some moron from her. I made a video eating it, and it's good. It's good. Recommended. Okay, and one more, Sikat Carinderia. I'm gonna check. Damn, I forgot to mention them. Sikat Pinoy etc. So Sikat Pinoy etc. Sorry about that. I didn't remember the name. I'll remember Sikat, but I usually go to Dandenong Market and buy ube pandesal from them. They have also skewers or barbecue skewers or chicken skewers, and their ube halaya. No, ube suman halaya. I don't know. It's ube and the suman thing. It's really good. I'm not really good with names, but yeah, recommend them also. And also, yep. How can I forget Karen? Karen who does the ngoyong, Cebu ngoyongs. Karen, yeah, recommend her also. So if you have any people you want to know here in Australia and in Victoria, I can recommend you people who does sell good Filipino food. And yeah, they're really good. So yeah, that's it. I'm just blabbering here. So I need to end this. I'm making the video long again. Yeah. So I don't know if yeah, see you tomorrow. I don't know. Nothing's coming up. It's getting late. I'm gonna rest. Bye. Okay, and there's also Quinn. We ordered ube yema cakes from her. And yeah, also there was the lechon. Laura loved the lechon, really. And then there's also Rayan. Let me see. Rayan. Do you say? Sorry for murdering your name, mate. But Rayan also, who's making those Sylvanas. And yeah, Lasang Pinoy, who does the sisig. I tried Chad's and they're good sisig, but I can't mention everybody. I must have missed somebody. I'm so sorry, but just remind me. I'll try to feature some foods. I don't have time to put the food into good review and talk about it in the camera, but I'll try my best because pandemic, head stressed, school, shit. So yeah. Oh yeah, how could I forget chicharon, homemade from Don. Not really from Don, but from Don's father-in-law, but it's really good. If you're around Caroline Springs and if they have stocks of the meat, you can get from them. They have tocino, they have everything else, but chicharon's awesome. Had a medical checkup for my visa. I ate a lot of it. Went to medical checkup the next day. High blood, yeah, but it's really good. I nearly finished the whole packet. Chicharon, yeah. I'm thinking of food. Okay, somebody's calling me. So, see ya. Bye.